Samsung still makes the best foldable phones out there. I'll say it on record. I think the last 3 months saved nothing. आप कितने बड़े तुर्रम खाओगे इंडिया के बाहर?
अच्छा,
जब आप इंडिया में आते हो ना, ऑडियंस आपको औकात दिखा देती है। आपको दाल मखनी पिज्जा बनाना पड़ेगा, चना पिज्जा बनाना पड़ेगा, आलू टिक्की बर्गर बनाना पड़ेगा, 15-15 हजार के फोन बेचने पड़ेंगे,
बनानी पड़ेगी आपको।
15-15 हजार के फोन बेचने पड़ेंगे, तभी लोग खरीदेंगे।
I usually, if you see, my wrists will always be
I
naked.
thought you're wearing an orange watch just because you're in UP.
अरे no no, यूपी तो मैं पूरी लाइफ रहा हूँ यूपी में भाई. I do wear orange at times, but not because of the reason. But no point being.
कर देना भाई, कट कर देना. So you are also putting it in your head that not only you have to buy
the
a ring,
ring,
but also club it
अगर
with the
watch भी
watch.
खरीद लोगे ना
तो मजा आएगा भाई. तुम क्या फिट हो जाओगे ना? भाई मैं फिट नहीं होगा, मैं गरीब हो जाऊंगा.
भाई सही में मैं फिट, मेरा वॉलेट थिन होगा, मैं थिन नहीं होगा. I mean, अब तूने बोल दिया ना इतना, तो अब मैं भी सोच रहा हूँ, I'm like, do we even need all of this shit? We actually, if you look at it, we don't.
That's
But
why
say-
these products come into market. There's a lot of people like you are fascinated by them.
यार भाई शौक है यार किसी चीज का, हम क्या करें. चलो जी, so now there is a show segment in the show
Okay.
called the rapid fire.
Okay, where is my coffee bag? Oh, hamper.
Coffee हम
Last time I did a podcast, last time I was on a podcast,
Yeah.
it won the tech podcast of the year.
well.
2023. So
Bro,
you never know. Control shift
आपके
escape.
मुंह में घी शक्कर भाई साहब. Control shift escape for the win.
Cam 1 rolling, cam 2 rolling, main cam rolling.
So friends, welcome back to another episode of the Digit Podcast Control Shift Escape. Yes, we now have a name for the podcast, and आज हम बात कर रहे हैं on something that has been doing the rounds a lot in the news. और आपने अपने सोशल मीडिया पे या अपने यूट्यूब पे हर जगह कहीं ना कहीं आपने इसके बारे में ज़रूर देखा होगा. I am talking about the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event that happened in Paris last week, where Samsung launched the new foldables. Galaxy Z Fold आया है, Galaxy Z Flip आया है, नए प्रोडक्ट सैमसंग ने कुछ इंट्रोड्यूस किए हैं, Galaxy Watch Ultra इंट्रोड्यूस करी है, Galaxy Ring इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, lots of exciting stuff and a lot of new stuff in Galaxy AI as well. And based on that, I have a very special guest with me today. Today, we are sitting with Mr. Manas Tiwari, who himself went to the Paris event, Galaxy Unpacked में थे Manas. He went there, he saw the thing unfold with his own eyes. So today, I will be chatting with Manas and asking him how his experience was, and we'll be talking about Galaxy AI. Manas, welcome to the podcast.
Thank you so much. I'm sure you from here also saw everything unfold with your own eyes only. Like,
I did. हाँ, मैंने भी अपनी आंखों से देखा, obviously, but like मतलब मैं स्क्रीन पे देख रहा था भाई, तुम रियल में देख रहे थे. So कैसा था यार? How was the event? How was?
Paris was beautiful. One
Of
of
course,
the
of course.
rare cities that I've
Yeah,
felt
man.
like I didn't want to come back actually, but yeah, you have to. But Unpacked, if you were talking about the devices that Samsung has come up with this year, mixed feelings. Some of them were good, exciting. Some of them not so exciting because again, as we keep seeing with a lot of smartphones and other devices also, most of these are incremental upgrades. Like you're
Yeah.
not getting generational upgrades or improvements on devices. And that was the case with both the foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Z Flip 6. So nothing too exciting there per se. Galaxy Ring was something that I was looking forward to. I liked what I saw. Even with the foldables, I would say, I mean, even though I say that I wasn't too excited about the products, I kind of expected
This
that
kind of
to
a
happen.
stuff.
And
हाँ.
yeah, I mean, that's what happened. So,
So मैंने एक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग हेडलाइन पढ़ा था. I think it was a Tom's Guide का headline. Refined, not redefined, about the Z Fold 6.
but you go back, you check the reviews for the last 5 years, I'm sure every single year you would find at least one headline that says the same.
That says the same thing, yeah, actually, but even honestly, I was not too impressed, especially with the Fold, because up foldable last year the Fold 5 आया था, there was literally no competition except maybe the Techno Fold, which obviously is not a serious brand, right? Techno को कोई seriously लेता नहीं है, at least हमारी market में.
Okay.
हमारी market में.
I know that they are doing pretty good.
They're doing great, and value for money बहुत अच्छा है, but like still like market
not in
में,
that segment.
they don't have the market repo yet to like bring out a foldable yet, right? अभी from last year, this year, now the competition is also much tighter. Vivo है, OnePlus है, and both of them amazing phones. You yourself have used both
Yeah.
of them. Crazy phones है. With that, I really expected Samsung to like at least give us something that gives them the edge over these devices. ऐसा मुझे honestly कुछ अभी तक तो लगा नहीं है. I mean, I haven't extensively tested the Fold 6 yet. मैं Fold 6 test कर रहा हूँ. But ऐसा like, what is that one thing that impressed you the most in the newer foldable line?
Okay, so I'll just make it simple for everyone to understand, for you also, for the context. Even though I say that there are not too many upgrades or anything, this is what happened. Okay, I have used the X Fold 3 Pro. I have used the OnePlus Open. I briefly used the Razer 50 Ultra before I went to Paris. I've seen both Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, and I can still say that despite all the limited upgrades and everything, Samsung still makes the best foldable phones out there. And Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 are the best foldable phones you can buy. Okay, now with this I'll come to the point that, or the question that you asked.
yeah.
What is that one single thing that
That
impressed me
impressed you the
most?
most.
I'd say execution. Okay, it's not just about putting a device in the market. It's about how you put that thing together and what sort of experience you are giving. Because let's be honest, we are in 2024. We've been seeing smartphones for about good 15 years now. Different form factors, innovations, and it has reached a point where there's not much left to change. Even the foldables, what possibly can you do? Okay, fine, you tell me that Vivo has a slightly larger cover screen. Okay, Samsung will give you that, but how much difference will that make? Beyond a certain point, you use it for first 15 days, that will charm you. 16 days, you'll just get used to it.
Correct.
Right. So what it comes down to for me is the experience that I'm getting. And Samsung, again, as you said, it has the most refined experience. Be it hardware or software.
100%. Yeah.
Plus, with AI, what they're doing is, and what I've seen, and I've tested it on the Vivo foldable phone and a lot of mid-range phones that had some of these AI features recently, the execution is very bad. on those phones. Samsung, on the other hand, if you try some of these features, the results, they may look a little, the features may look a little gimmicky, but the results are really, really good. What the AI is able to do over there, it's really good. So if I have to pick one thing which impressed me the most, it was the execution, how they put this whole thing together, this experience together, and give you a phone which, if you buy it, you won't regret, I'm sure.
Alright. So agreed. देखो refined तो बहुत ज़्यादा है because I have been using the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro as my primary. और जब मैंने पहली बार
How do you like its software?
यार read my review. मतलब मैं पिछले at least 10 साल तो मुझे हुए.
And I'm not even talking about usability.
I am saying at least since the last 5 years I've been testing Vivo phones constantly. हर साल मैंने एक ही चीज़ feedback दिया है कि भाई software is the only thing that this phone struggles with. But then with software, अब मैं इसको primary use कर रहा हूँ तो now I'm used to it, right? But initially I had a lot of issues because I was switching to this from a Samsung. तो बड़ा मुझे problem हुआ because हर चीज़ का तुम्हें like there's so many browser notifications.
I'm saying, see, usability छोड़ दे एक बारी को. When you open the Vivo phone, everything is nice. Such a nice design, aesthetically pleasing, very good to hold. You open the phone, isn't it very outdated?
हाँ, और सस्ता फील आता है यार. मतलब इसका सॉफ्टवेयर ना मेरे को लगता नहीं है कि ये 1,60,000 रुपए के फोन का सॉफ्टवेयर है. It doesn't feel like that, correct? But like, see, my point where I'm not too impressed with the Samsung is that because everybody now at this point has realized कि यार बाहर के स्क्रीन का aspect ratio makes a lot of difference. Last time I used the Samsung foldable was I think the Fold 4 or the Fold 3, I don't remember. It's been a couple of years now. और उसमें ना मेरे को कुछ भी अगर important करना होता है कुछ भी जल्दी I had to open the screen, right? So there is no point of having that cover screen if for every important thing I'm having to open the screen, right? अगर मेरे को खोलना ही पड़ रहा है हर चीज़ के लिए तो might as well not have that. And over the last 2 or 3 years, that has not improved as much. अभी भी Fold 6 अगर आप देखो, it's still not usable as a proper glass slab phone or a candy bar phone, right? While these phones, ये हो गया या OnePlus Open हो गया, OnePlus Open also I tried it. I didn't like it. बहुत ज़्यादा बल्कि था इसलिए मैं यूज़ नहीं किया कभी. But same, it was very much usable. अब इसको मैंने रोज़ खोलना भी नहीं पड़ता है मेरे को because सारा काम इस पे हो जाता है as you would do on a proper phone. But yes, you're absolutely right, refinement because भाई जब पकड़ा ना Samsung हाथ में वो अलग ही प्रीमियमनेस इतना बढ़िया बिल्ड क्वालिटी है वो दैट्स अ डिफरेंट फीलिंग ऑल टुगेदर.
See, you have to also blame other companies, let's say a Vivo, a OnePlus, for not pushing Samsung enough. And why I say that, I'll tell you. X3 Fold 3 Pro. It's confusing names. So what you have in your hand right now, it's a fantastic phone. I've used it. And I'll tell you one thing. Okay, so we were in Paris, a bunch of tech journalists. Everybody has fancy phones. All the expensive phones out there. You know what? Everybody wanted to get clicked by a Vivo phone. Every single person, whoever had a Vivo X series phone, be it the X100 Pro or X Fold 3 Pro, was the star on streets that day because everybody wanted them to click their pictures. Okay, so that is the level of camera prowess we are talking about when it comes to
with the
Vivo
Vivo.
phones. But look at the price. Look at the price. You launched the X Fold 3 Pro at 1,60,000, the same price as the Galaxy
Samsung,
Z Flip 5, and now the Z Flip 6 is only 5,000 rupees more expensive.
yeah.
Plus, it's giving you a lot more when it comes to the software experience. Why would
Yeah,
somebody spend 1 lakh? I mean,
और
they
इनफैक्ट
would
मैं
have,
बताऊँ अगर बंदे को सैमसंग का एक्सपीरियंस ही चाहिए ना, फोल्ड 5 लेगा, इससे बहुत सस्ता मिल जाएगा.
आपको 130 140 में मिल जाएगा.
आराम से,
अब 20-25 हज़ार बचा लोगे.
सो या
अगर वीवो अपने फोन को अच्छे से प्राइस कर देता 1,30,000 पे, they would have priced at 140, even OnePlus Open for that matter, if it would come at 1.25, then people at Samsung, it would have got them worried. They would have sat on a table like, the discussions would have changed. Then they couldn't have just come up with the Galaxy AI features and launched the phone. Then they would have thought, oh, now
we need to push the envelope a little
Galaxy
bit.
is not
Exactly.
enough. If we are going to charge 1,60,000 for a phone, we need to give them more.
That's actually fair point. मैंने इस एंगल से सोचा ही नहीं है कभी. But yeah, actually,
Now they can get away with it.
now they can get away with it. Obviously, 160 है भाई, they'll be like हम same price पे दे रहे हैं, and we have like a much more refined version of the phone. We have a
Their
best-
cameras are good. They're giving you the
Their cameras
latest
are good,
chipset. The battery is okay. I mean, again, you can go and say that battery hasn't been improved much or cameras haven't been improved much, but they're pretty much already very good.
Yeah.
So you're getting all of that. The displays are the best in terms of quality. Panels are the best.
डिजिट पे स्टोरी है हमारी, प्लीज टेस्ट. डिजिट पे मैंने भी कल ही टेस्ट किया है एक्चुअली, and it is a very good display.
It's a very good display. Then you come to the software. Software experience in itself is good. Now they are giving you 7 years of OS updates, which is massive on a foldable phone. And I think a lot of you can actually use a foldable phone for a very long time if you maintain it well.
Yeah.
And to top it up, now you also have all these AI features, which I think make a lot of sense on this foldable form factor. Maybe not so on the flip, but at least on the fold, from the productivity point of view, they make a lot of sense to me.
फेवरेट AI फीचर कौन सा लगा नए वालों में से? You can't say circle to search because अब वो
No, I don't like that.
नए वाले में
क्या उसका क्या यूज किया से यार? वो क्या मतलब वो आप एक गूगल पे टाइप करने की जगह आप बस टैप करके सर्कल कर रहे हो, 2 स्टेप. यू एनीवे गोइंग थ्रू 2 different steps to make a search, right?
Yeah.
So better not like why
better
not
just
try?
switch. हाँ मतलब
type,
देखो
right?
इतना कुछ टाइम नहीं बचा रहा है वो. It's just
हाँ.
like very good. But still, if you were to pick like one feature that you think makes a lot of sense.
So for me, I think 2 features stood out this particular year. One was Sketch to Image,
Sketch to
which
Image.
I absolutely love.
It's damn fun, yeah.
It is a lot. I don't know the actual use case. I'll be very honest. I don't know how useful it is in real world use case, but it's a lot of fun. You can do a lot more with your pictures. It's all the
I saw the stories you put over the weekend.
go to my Instagram to check them out. But I'm sure they'll be gone by then. But yes, you can do a lot of funny stuff with your pictures, and the results are very good. I mean, you do a basic sketch, and it will just detect and give you an
अभी मैं
accurate
ट्राई
result.
कर रहा था तो मैंने ना हॉर्न्स बनाए अपने, एंड उसने हर तरह का हॉर्न दे दिया. It gave me a devil's horn, it gave me like a bull's horn, it actually removed my hair also a little.
यार मैंने एक डॉल्फिन बनाई थी. मेरी डॉल्फिन आप देखोगे तो आपको लगेगा वो कोई मछली या डॉल्फिन क्या है, आप पता नहीं पाओगे कौन सी मछली है, बस एक मछली है. And it actually detected that, and it gave me a very good image of a dolphin and different variations of it. Sometimes it can go wrong also, but I mean that's going to happen with AI.
Obviously.
So I think I loved that. The second feature which I really loved is the interpreter app now, which you can use
On the flip phone.
flip and fold phone
Fold पे भी
also.
अच्छा.
So let's say I'll just give you a quick demo like what I'm talking about here. If let's say Darab doesn't know English, if he only knows Hindi or Spanish, and if I have to talk to him, what I can do is I can simply use the app, start speaking here, open the phone, and I can put the preview here. So whatever I'm saying, he can actually read that and then reply to me. It's very useful when you're traveling. I mean, makes a lot of sense. So I think these two are like,
Did you use it in Paris? The interpreter
I mean, they
feature?
didn't give us the phone till the last.
बट पुराना वाला कोई सैमसंग नहीं था. Good यार, good. और बताओ like what else did you do in Paris? कुछ थोड़ा सा like give us some.
You don't talk about the Galaxy ring or what?
No, I will come to it. अभी आऊँगा मैं धीरे-धीरे.
अभी Paris की बात
I know
करनी
you
है.
are excited about it, but वो इसलिए मैंने उसको end में रखा है ताकि because there is content there. I'm sure there is content there. But yeah, apart from that, like what else is something that what else did like intrigue your fascination? ये ऐसा क्या तुम्हें कुछ लगा ऐसा है?
Yes, see,
And
now
it's not only about the devices or the AI or the features. You can also talk about the event itself or the how Paris was. Anything, just like any.
it's a beautiful place to click pictures. You get a lot of good pictures. So if you're ever going to Paris, make sure that you get clicked a lot because you're gonna regret if you don't. The food is nice. I like the food. Oh, weather is very good. I mean, that's the best part about European countries. The weather is so good.
Yeah.
The air is so clear. हम लोग को दिक्कत हो जाती है, बस हो जाता हमारे फेफड़े सांस कैसे लेंगे वहाँ पे, इतनी साफ हवा
Acclimatize होना पड़ेगा भाई पहले।
इतनी साफ हवा, इतने साफ पानी की आदत ही नहीं है हम लोग को वहाँ जाके, तो थोड़ा सा अडाप्ट करने में टाइम लग जाता है आपको.
चलो.
But yes, what I really liked about the whole event in general is that now I can finally see AI getting some sort of a direction, and generative AI. By AI, I mean a generative AI. Because what we saw over the last 18 months, largely the use cases that were being integrated within phones or devices, or more on the creativity side, not so much on the productivity side. ठीक है, मैं एक prompt डालूंगा, उससे एक बिल्ली की चाय पीते हुए फोटो आ जाएगी, क्या करूंगा उसका लाइफ में, देख के 5 मिनट हंस लूंगा ना, सोशल मीडिया पे डाल दूंगा.
But don't you think even ChatGPT helps a little bit with the productivity?
Maybe, but it's not. I'm saying directly that are built within the devices. ChatGPT
Okay,
has just
okay.
started playing.
Okay,
It's
okay.
yet to
Got
come
it, got it,
properly on
got
the
it,
right?
got it.
So I'm saying whatever because of the ChatGPT explosion, whatever followed on devices were mostly creativity-driven features.
Yes,
कि आप
agreed.
photo generate कर दो, वो generative fill दे दिया, expansion दे दिया, but these are mostly creativity-driven features, not so much on the productivity side. But now you have those PDF summaries, which is I think a major feature. Just look at the number of people that use PDFs. Yeah, our parents use people who are not at all tech savvy. Even they have access to PDF files.
यार प्रिंटिंग वगैरह में PDF पे ही चलता है पूरा का पूरा काम. If people are into printing or if anyone of our audience, they would understand the importance of PDF. और edit करना उसको कितना edit करना उसको टास्क होता है काफी बार, but with AI, yeah, that makes it.
You can get a summary. वो अपना आता है बजट आता है 500 पेज का PDF फाइल आया, you just ask it to summarize
कर दो,
जो आपका टैक्स का डिटेल
बस
चेंज हुआ कि
इनफैक्ट
नहीं
उसको इतना भी बता दो कि भाई मैं ये करता हूँ, मेरा इतना सैलरी है, बताओ मेरे को क्या चेंजेस आएंगे. आई एम श्योर इट विल गिव दैट आल्सो. आई बिलीव सो. आई वुड
at
लाइक
some point I'm sure.
I would like it to be that detailed. But okay, चलो अब आ जाते हैं the new products from Samsung. Watch Ultra and the Galaxy Ring. पहले तो बताओ तुम्हें which one of them interests you more. So that मैं उसके बारे में पहले बात करूँ.
Honestly, Galaxy Ring more than the
Galaxy
watch.
Ring, okay.
I have my strong reasons. Watch Ultra. I mean, smartwatches are not something new that we have seen.
100%.
I think they've also reached a certain level of saturation, just like smartphones.
Yeah.
What else can you do with a
Smartwatch, yeah.
I mean, you can't change the form factor
अरे
a
अब
lot.
तो वो earphones वाले भी smartwatches आ गए हैं bro. Integrated earphones है.
आपकी जो basic tracking होती है वो सारी watches कर
सब
लेती
कर
है.
लेती
Now
हैं,
you
हाँ.
can't. I don't know what else can they possibly track. Heart rate हो गया, blood oxygen हो गया, sleep हो गया, stress हो गया, irregular heart rates हो गया. Everything you have put there, all sorts of workouts you have put there. What else can you possibly need, and how further accurate can you make them? I don't know. So I'm not like excited by smartwatches anymore. Galaxy Watch Ultra, again, it was sort of predictable also because Apple launched the Watch Ultra, so they had to come up with an answer. It looks very similar from your case to your crown to your whole UI.
Even the orange button is the same.
Yeah, I mean the crown, the whole UI action button they have put in there, the the interface that there's a midnight this thing on Apple Watch Ultra, you must have seen. It's very similar. The wallpaper that Samsung has come up with, it's very similar to that. So overall, it's more or less that experience aimed at fitness enthusiasts. An expensive smartwatch, if you have money, go and buy. I won't. Okay. So I wasn't very excited. Were you excited about that watch?
No man, I mean वही है, मेरे को भी same opinion. It's like they're just filling a market which only has one product. Competition नहीं है Apple का, उन्होंने कहा कि चलो हम थोड़ा सा 20-30 हज़ार रुपए सस्ता निकाल देते हैं, मे भी बिक जाएगा.
Maybe बिक जाएगा. और plus iOS के साथ work नहीं करेगा, so I don't know.
So then
Just like their other
that takes away
watches.
half of their audience anyways because कौन ही खरीदेगा
But
Samsung.
and the same applies for the Galaxy Ring also, by the way.
How expensive is it? I don't know the
So
pricing.
Galaxy Ring is priced at $399.
Okay.
It's not coming to
Coming to
India,
India.
Immediately. It will at some point is what they have told us. I don't know when. Maybe 6 months, maybe 8 months, maybe I don't know. So $399 translates to roughly about 36,000 rupees. Which means the Galaxy Ring is actually more expensive than the Galaxy Watch 7.
Oh damn. Yeah, that's an interesting fact. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So you are giving me a watch replacement and you're actually telling me that you'll have to pay more than that.
More than that, and for a smaller product also.
And you're taking away the
display, benches, main attraction, smartwatch.
the ability to take calls or reply to messages and everything, and you're telling me because you're making your life easier.
Yeah.
You don't have your screen time will go down. You don't have to wear a big device all like throughout the day. But for that, you'll have to pay us extra. Like who's winning here, guys?
Samsung.
किसके लिए लेकर आए हो?
But yeah, as a tracking device, it makes sense. The rings make a lot more sense than this shit, man. I mean,
But what is that a ring can do than that my watch can't.
Nothing. Well, there is no differentiation in terms of the tracking features. Just that, see, I'm not big into watches. ये भी मैं इसलिए पहना हूँ because I'm testing it right now. But I usually, if you see, my wrists will always be
I
naked.
thought you're wearing an orange watch just because you're in UP.
अरे no. UP तो मैं पूरी लाइफ रहा हूँ UP में भाई. I do wear orange at times, but not because of the reason. But no point being.
कर देना भाई, कट कर देना.
सब मरवाएगा क्या भाई? तो खाली ना हमारा. Point is, okay, coming back. Point is that मेरे को ना एक point के बाद ना रिस्ट में ना इरिटेशन होने लगता है. मैं कुछ भी अगर कर, इवन इफ आई एम सो मच एज टाइपिंग और लाइक रेस्टिंग माई हैंड समवेयर ना, मुझे घड़ी उतार के रखनी पड़ती है बिकॉज आई जस्ट नॉट यूज टू द फीलिंग ऑफ हैविंग समथिंग ऑन माई रिस्ट. ऑन द अदर हैंड रिंग्स आई एम बिग इनटू. मेरे को रिंग्स का बड़ा शौक है. पहली चीज देयर इज अ बायस देयर, यस गिवन, बट इट्स ऑल्सो अ स्मॉलर प्रोडक्ट, राइट? मतलब इतना छोटू से में आधे से ज्यादा काम इसके हो रहे हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम द स्क्रीन इट्स डूइंग एवरीथिंग. मेक्स सेंस. यस, द monetary part of it doesn't make sense right now.
But like, where are we going with this? Because I'll tell you what, when the initial smartwatches came, most of us complain that while they can do tracking this, that, why can't I take calls from it? Why is there no inbuilt speaker? So the company started putting those in. They give you a bigger display. Earlier we would have those fitness bands,
Trackers,
right?
yeah,
And
Xiaomi
our
band
complaint
वगैरह,
was that, I can't read text properly on this.
Yeah,
Or my
yeah.
parents are struggling with it. And basically what companies also did, they used it as a scam to run a fraud where all the fitness bands that they had, they started giving them bigger displays and started calling them smartwatches.
Smartwatches, yeah.
Anything that you buy for 6,000 to 7,000 rupees
Is the
still
fitness band.
7,000.
It's a
You buy
fitness
a
band.
fitness band with just a larger screen.
Yeah.
Right, that's
100%.
where we were heading to. It took us 2-3 years to like sort of get there. And now we're like, you know what? I don't want a display.
I don't want this.
It's too much for me, yeah.
देखो ये तो तुम थोड़ा सा like this is you going more into human behavior,
तो
bro.
आपको जब 2-2 हजार के फिटनेस बैंड Xiaomi दे रहा था तो
तब नहीं
आपको
चाहिए था.
बन नहीं
हाँ,
रहे थे.
तब नहीं चाहिए
अब आप कह रहे हो कि यार स्क्रीन ज्यादा हो रही है, मैं 30,000 की ना रिंग ले लेता हूँ.
नहीं, देखो 30,000 की तो नहीं लूंगा कभी रिंग
35,000 की
obviously,
तो
but
कम में देख कौन रहा है? नॉइज आपको 20,000 की रिंग बेच रहा है.
that
Noise
that's
Luna ring is 20,000 rupees in India.
I honestly
I don't know
thought-
what the price of the boat ring is. They're coming up
No, but वो जो नॉइज वाला रिंग है मुझे लगता था ऐसा कुछ 10,000 12,000 रुपए का होगा.
20,000 rupees
What the-
MRP.
नॉइज का 20,000 रुपए का रिंग है भाई. और ऐसा है क्या उसमें? Like what is there? What technology or what materials?
All the same sensors that Samsung is giving you, same things that does. It doesn't even have AI on this.
So, good, yeah. And so clearly our man here is not impressed with the Samsung Watch Ultra.
So one interesting thing that they are also saying is that the ring is not. It's supposed to work better
With the Watch Ultra.
With the watch.
Yeah. I saw that.
Either watch, like Watch Ultra or Watch
the
7.
Watch 7, huh.
Like a Galaxy Watch. So you are also putting it in our head that not only you have to buy
Buy
a
the
ring,
ring,
but also club it
अगर
with
watch
the
भी
watch.
खरीद लोगे ना
तो
तो
मजा
बढ़िया
आएगा
रहता
भाई.
है.
तुम क्या फिट हो जाओगे ना? भाई मैं फिट नहीं होगा, मैं गरीब हो जाऊंगा.
भाई सही में मैं फिट मेरा वॉलेट थिन होगा मैं थिन
मैं
नहीं
thin
होगा. I mean not that
And
I
they're
need to
saying
get
it
thin.
will give you better fitness results, accurate results, because if you're wearing one of them, the tracking will still continue on the other device.
Yeah.
Also, you'll get better battery life and all. But I mean,
I'm bullshit यार. वैसे तो मैं भी अगर एक हाथ में Apple Watch पहनूं दूसरे हाथ पे Nothing Watch पहनूं तो obviously I'll have better data, no more data to play around with.
it will not be synced, right?
It's
So
not the
this
same,
thing
but then हाँ obviously तो ऐसे फिर ऑक्सीमीटर भी होता है. फिर मैं वॉच के साथ अगर ऑक्सीमीटर पहनूं तो भी वही बात होगी, राइट?
मैं कुछ ना पहनूं, प्राणायाम कर लेता हूँ सुबह सुबह.
सही में I mean वैसे actually now that
कपाल भारती
now
is
that
the best fitness
अब तूने
tracker.
बोल दिया ना इतना तो अब मैं भी सोच रहा I'm like do we even need all of this shit? We actually if you look at it we don't. अभी जैसे अल्ट्रा ह्यूमन रिंग आया था, मेरे को बड़ा इंटरेस्ट था उसमें यार. आई वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टेड इन द अल्ट्रा ह्यूमन रिंग व्हिच इज सेम कॉन्सेप्ट है. बट वही है यार, मैं आई थिंक इट्स माय फैसिनेशन टुवर्ड्स रिंग्स दैट मेक्स मी वांट टू
Maybe I'm
or
sure
that's
that's
making
what,
me like the Samsung Galaxy ring.
That's
But
why
say-
these products come into market. And there's a lot of people like you are fascinated by them.
यार भाई शौक है यार किसी चीज का, हम क्या करें. जिन लोगों को घड़ियों का शौक है
But I'll tell you what, this makes for a very good engagement ring. You're not only giving your part, it's the right kind of investment. It's the right
तुम
kind of
ट्रैक कर सकते हो.
investment.
जीपीएस भी है ना
Yes.
स्टैंडअलोन.
Oh, yeah, no, I wasn't getting there.
हाँ, अच्छा, हो
You're
गया.
encouraging them towards a healthier
lifestyle, yeah.
See, in India, we are like fascinated by rings. As Darab said, we spend so much on
Yeah,
these
yeah,
engagement rings. It's
100%,
like crazy.
100%.
And half the people don't even wear them after their
Engagement, yeah.
night,
They
right? Why not spend 35,000 on this? Buy it in a golden
And
color.
this
It looks
people
like that.
will make sure
You'll
also that they wear it because
it'll
everybody
actually
wants to
use it.
become healthier. Yeah,
And you'll
100%.
actually
Great idea.
Galaxy Ring for engagement.
Galaxy Ring for engagement. Let's make it trend. Let's make it happen. All right, great, yeah. Chalo ji. So now there is a segment in the show
Okay.
called the rapid fire.
Okay, where is my coffee bag? Oh, hamper.
Coffee hamper. Merch room coming soon.
Last time I did a podcast,
Yeah.
time I was on a podcast,
Yeah.
it won the tech podcast of the year.
well.
2023. So
bro.
you never know. Control Shift
आपके
Escape.
मुंह में घी शक्कर भाई साहब. Control Shift Escape for the win. Nevertheless, so the segment is called rapid fire,
Okay.
where I will ask you
Who,
five
how many people will it take you to come up with that name?
rapid fire.
The segment is called Rapid Fire.
Segment is called rapid fire, भाई. The rapid fire. मेरे को मेहनत नहीं करने का. मेहनत हम करेंगे questions बनाने में या topic decide करने में. अभी So this is something I've been doing in all my interactions also. मैं एक last में 5-6 ऐसे छोटे-मोटे light-hearted questions पूछता हूँ. So I thought why not make it a part of the podcast,
all
right? And you also encouraged me to do it, by the way. Audience doesn't know this, but by the way, so 4-5 questions are around the same thing, and in fact this is this or that. और मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ what you will prefer
Prefer, okay.
among these two devices or these two features. Okay.
Okay.
So सबसे पहले flip or fold.
Fold. Any day.
Fold. All right. Sketch to create or circle to search. Which do you think
Sketch
is a
to-
more useful feature?
Sketch to him.
Sketch to image. Okay.
Again, depends on what sort of user you are. For me, maybe Sketch to image, but if somebody is not like into creative stuff, then maybe Circle to Search will make sense.
All right. Buds 3 or Buds 3 Pro? Which one do you think makes more sense?
AirPods.
नहीं आउट ऑफ सिलेबस आंसर नहीं है.
There's a well, again, they've
Good,
just lifted the design.
जब
from
भाई
there.
सेम है यार इस बार तो blatant
actually
very
see-
blatant.
And now that you ask me, it's been a few days. I'm yet to like sort of absorb what is the difference between the two buds there.
So you use the AirPods Pro, right? मैंने
No,
भी
I'm saying,
AirPods use
I'm
नहीं
saying the Buds 3 and the Buds 3 Pro.
है. Oh, there is no difference in
No,
terms of the
I'm
features.
sure there would be something, but I'm not able to register. Have you been able to register? in
I
these
haven't gone
have
to
you,
devices
But
only,
have
I
you
look
heard enough about them?
No.
No, that's what.
No,
So
nothing.
Samsung has not been able to register it in our heads. How are these two buds different?
Yeah, man.
Right?
I mean,
You know that what is the difference in Galaxy Watch 7 and Watch Ultra.
yeah,
But you
obviously.
don't know how the Buds 3
I
are
don't
different
know.
from Buds
I
3
don't
Pro.
know. I have no idea. Good, yeah. Well, let's look into it. Very soon you will see something on Digit. All right. Watch Ultra or Galaxy Ring? I think I know the answer.
No,
Okay.
I go for Galaxy Ring. because
Galaxy
Watch-
Ring, okay. Last है थोड़ा सा out of syllabus. अब ये जा रहा है out of syllabus. Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 or the Apple Watch Series 9? Which one would you prefer as a user?
Okay. This is the real toughie.
Googly फेंक दी भाई हमने यहाँ पे.
See, because you said as a user, and I've been deep into the Apple ecosystem for a few years now, so I may still go for the Watch Series 9 because I use an iPhone, I use an iPad, I use a Mac, all
So you're in the
interconnected AirPods
ecosystem
too. I'm
now.
in the ecosystem, and it's been a while. So, but in the past there was a time when I was in the Samsung ecosystem as well, and I used to have a lot of fun using the Samsung Galaxy watches. Remember those days where you had those rotating
घूमने वाला,
bezels
हाँ. अभी भी
and all
S6
that?
में तो है अभी भी.
They've converted it to like touch, no?
No, the Watch
proper
6
bezel,
Pro
okay.
has the
Proper bezel.
rotating bezel, yeah.
So yeah, but if you are in an Android user and if you are into Samsung devices, then obviously Galaxy Watch 7 is also a pretty good device. I can't use that with my iPhone, so I mean,
हाँ,
that's
okay.
something Samsung needs to do about
So, but the same way you can't use your Apple Watch with an Android.
through that.
Yeah, so basically आंसर इन्होंने दिया नहीं है, इन्होंने बस बोला भाई तुम्हारे पास
मैं
Android है,
मैं
तुम्हारे पास Android है तो तुम्हारे लिए Samsung में
मैं तो Apple Watch करूंगा.
Apple.
अगर
Okay,
आपके
so
पास वो
answer
पैसा-
is Apple.
Doesn't make the other watch bad.
Okay.
Is what I'm
Okay,
saying.
man
Unlike
is
the
very,
Buds.
the editorial sense इनका जाग रहा है
No,
बढ़िया.
but yeah, when
नहीं,
it
good,
came
good.
to Buds, I was
Fair,
very
fair.
honest.
Yeah, fair. चलो जी, so that wraps up the rapid fire round. और महाराज भाई और बताइए कुछ, like tell me something.
तू बता तुझे कर रहा है आजकल क्या चल रहा है?
बहुत कुछ चल रहा है यार, इट्स सुपर बिजी. अभी तो देखो सैमसंग से ही अभी छुटकारा नहीं मिला है. सैमसंग फोल्ड में टेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, डीप टेस्टिंग. Review coming soon. A detailed comparison between the Samsung and the new X Fold 3 Pro coming soon. Sorry, shameless plug. Sorry.
तेरा चैनल
on
जितने
Digit.
प्लग करने अगर
तो
shamelessness
बस भाई shameless. ऑडियंस में बोलेगी ना, ऐसा थोड़ा कंटेंट भी दे दे, बोल भी ले, प्लग करे जा रहे हैं. So Samsung, I'm testing the CMF Phone 1, nothing CMF Phone 1, very interesting device. I love that device, bro. मतलब अभी इतना टेस्ट नहीं किया है कि फोन एक्चुअल फोन कैसा है, बट द होल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ बीइंग एबल टू कस्टमाइज योर फोन अकॉर्डिंग टू योर टेस्ट and all these lanyard or your wallet accessories, I'm sure, I have a feeling they will bring more accessories also. फिलहाल the तीन ही options
But
हैं
do
हमारे
you
पास.
think somebody who's buying a 16,000 rupees phone would have that sort of liquid to buy, spend like 3, 4, 5,000 on accessories?
No, but like anyways they'll buy a cover, right? Everybody buys a cover for their phone.
People buy cover from a street
No,
shop.
but अब जैसे काफी लोग सेल
200 रुपए का लगाते हैं।
वगैरह में उठाते हैं फोन. अब मान ले 1000-1200 रुपए बच रहे हैं. So if I were a person who on a very limited budget 20,000 के अंदर अंदर मेरे को फोन लेना है, because initially मुझे भी लग रहा था कि यार ये थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव हो रहा है, 20,000 के ऊपर भी जाएगा, because 20,000 के आसपास हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे, under 20 होगा प्राइस, but the price was also around 15,000 rupees. 16 to 15 999 वही. So 16,000 में अगर आप 700-800 रुपए का एक केस भी ले रहे हो, so that still brings the price, keeps the price well in check, right?
17 हो गया, फिर आपने लैनियार्ड केबल लिया, फिर आपने कुछ स्टैंड लिया, कुछ
यार वो तो जितना आपको चाहिए उतना पैसा खर्च करना पड़ेगा, करेक्ट. बट योर पॉइंट इज ऑल्सो फेयर. माई पॉइंट इज दैट बोर नहीं हुआ इंसान फोन से जल्दी. अगर मेरा मन है कि यार अब मैं थोड़ा सा बोर हो गया हूँ फोन से, नया फोन लेने की जगह ना इंसान कवर ले लेगा, लैनियार्ड वगैरह या कुछ एक्सेसरी लगा लेगा या कुछ ऐसा कर लेगा. इफ द phone lasts that long.
That's right, because it's not just the bag. The front also has to last, right? The software also has to support it.
also has to be supportive for that long. So अब देखेंगे time, but it's an interesting approach from nothing, I mean.
I think it saved nothing.
It saved nothing. It
This
saved nothing.
phone
It
saved
did,
nothing.
it did,
I think the last
100%.
3 months, I'll say it on record, I think the last 3 months saved nothing. The Nothing Phone 2A and the
2A
CMF
and the-
Phone
yeah,
1,
yeah, yeah.
because they were walking on a very thin ice.
Yeah.
The last 2 phones, for all the halla that they made, didn't sell as close to whatever
Nothing.
they were expecting.
Nothing it sold.
They were burning money like anything, and it's only with the Phone 2A and CMF Phone 1 they've got a slightly longer run. But maybe this might be that
This
moment.
might just change them,
This might be the moment where the company actually.
establishes itself.
So
Yeah.
in between they're just doing random things, launching T-shirts and apples and
यार वो
beer or something.
बियर लॉन्च किया था लिमिटेड एडिशन भाई. सो देखो मेरे को भी शुरू में समझ नहीं आया था इनका स्ट्रेटजी, बट आई थिंक विद दीस टू फोन्स दे हैव टू सम एक्सटेंट क्रैक्ड इट. अब मतलब एटलीस्ट
इससे क्या लेसन मिलता है आपको?
कि भाई पहले मार्केट समझो और फिर आप प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च
आप कितने बड़े तुर्रम खाओगे इंडिया के बाहर?
अच्छा.
जब आप इंडिया में आते हो ना,
ये
ऑडियंस आपको औकात दिखा देती है. आपको दाल मखनी पिज्जा बनाना पड़ेगा, चना पिज्जा बनाना पड़ेगा, आलू टिक्की बर्गर बनाना पड़ेगा, 15-15 हजार के फोन बेचने पड़ेंगे,
बनानी पड़ेगी आपको.
15-15 हजार के फोन बेचने पड़ेंगे, तभी लोग खरीदेंगे.
या ट्रू.
कोई एस्थेटिक डिजाइन ये
कुछ
वो
नहीं यार, कुछ नहीं. ऑल्सो यार इन्होंने मतलब
माइलेज आपको कितना देती है वो मैटर करता है.
बिल्कुल अभी कितना भी तुम चला लो, कितने भी फीचर्स दे दो, योर माइलेज. That's actually very good point यार. Nice, very podcast friendly also.
कहीं डीप थॉट में चला गया ऐसा लग रहा है.
But हाँ नहीं सही बात है यार, अच्छी तूने मतलब तो you were intriguing the thought in me. But nothing का ठीक है यार, मतलब मैं तो CMF फोन से देख impressed हूँ. Honestly, so far so good. And even with the watch now they've done this. I mean only इसमें भी सिर्फ bezel change कर सकते हो आप. And bezel भी सिर्फ 2 ही दिए उन्होंने, एक flat एक curved. But it's a good move towards like something that I believe more people will definitely try. और बहुत लोग करेंगे ये. और देखते हैं अभी रिव्यू. अभी अब मैंने टेस्ट एक्सटेंसिवली नहीं, ये टाइम नहीं मिला है पिछला, अभी काफ़ी ज़्यादा बिजी था सैमसंग को लेके और बाकी और भी चीज़ें चल रही थी. इसके अलावा नथिंग है, सैमसंग है, बहुत कुछ चल रहा है यार. रियलमी का भी लॉन्च आ रहा है, 30th Realme is launching new phones, so those phones
And
are
this
here.
month is like too many phones.
It's very crazy यार. Honor का लॉन्च है, तुम्हारा
Redmi has announced something today. They're
Redmi has
doing
announced their pads. Yes, they are doing some pads. It's a busy month I'm looking at, but some fun. I mean, not complaining at all. मजे आ रहे हैं, बस गुजर जाए भाई, बस ये फेज निकल जाए बस, बाकी तो सही है, मजा तो आ रहा है. And yeah, also by the way, I'm going live on Amazon tonight. Yeah, like,
I'm not talking about Putin live, okay guys? Just look at him how tired he is. It's not a great idea to
No, I'm
put a
just going
tired.
on as a guest to 30 minute का बस segment है. I just have to tune in and answer some questions. So that's all. बाकी तो तुम्हें मालूम है क्या चल रहा है यार, काफी कुछ चल रहा है.
What's the next podcast on?
Something around AI only. अभी decide नहीं किया है. Let's see how the
Oh,
week.
so it's all AI.
It's all AI. Yeah. Mostly we are focusing on AI stuff. So अभी let's see how the week goes. Towards the end of the week, I'll decide the topic for the next month.
Why don't you
next
do
week.
something around like the creativity versus productivity debate?
That's a good topic. Yes.
What
Would you
is-
like to come for the next podcast? Sit with us.
I'll come whenever you want me to come.
No,
You just
I
gotta seduce me.
I hope
To come.
Soumya is not watching this. रोज आना है तुम्हें भाई यहाँ पे और आस्था. Good यार, good fun यार. This was damn fun. This was damn fun. I think we should end it now. अब
Yeah,
बातें
absolutely.
खत्म हो गई हमारे पास करने के लिए हो गया भाई. Good यार, this was damn fun. Thank you so much यार, Manas.
Thank you for inviting.
Always fun with
I'll
you.
send the invoice to.
Yes, please do. Please do. Time group को हम काट देंगे invoice. Alright guys, thank you so much everybody for watching. This was Lara Mansoor Ali. This was Manas Tiwari. We will see you guys very soon. I too will see you next week any which ways. Let's hope Manas bhai is also able to join us next week and give his valuable inputs and his very nice, lowdowns or like his pointers towards things and how things work in the tech industry. Thank you everybody so much for watching. This is Control Shift Escape. I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
Thank you.